Hey everyone, this is Abhishek. So in the previous video, I have shown you how to create EC2 instance and how to set up EC2 instance in FileZilla. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to access EC2 instance, Ubuntu instance using PuTTY. Okay, so that as a command line interface. So for that reason, I have created this blog. Okay, so uh, I have mentioned step-by-step process how to do the setup. So I'm going to follow this blog and I'm going to do the setup on the fly. Okay, and the link of this blog I would mention in the comment section so that you can go through and check. So let's then get started. So first thing first, you have to go to Google. You have to search for PuTTY. Now, as you can see, this link you have to find out, that putty.org thing. Okay, you have to go there and then you have to click on this download putty. Time to time the UI might change, obviously. It's so you have to click on this download putty. So after that you would get this type of page. Let me see. Yeah, same page I got. Okay, so you have to choose which is your setup. Based on that you have to choose. So there are a lot of option. So I would go for this one maybe. Okay, so it would get downloaded. So after this download you would see this .exe file. Okay, let's see. Oh, I have this one also. You can do this one. Okay, the SSH one. Did I mention it in the file? Yeah. Anyway, for different person it would be different. So anyway, for Windows machine you have to select this one, putty.exe. Okay, so it would get downloaded and like you would get something like this it's also mentioned in the blog. Okay, so anyway, like you have to install it. Already it's installed in my machine, so you have to install it and you have to open it. So when you would open, you would see this kind of interface, see, like this. Okay, so now what you have to do, the first thing you have to mention this three thing. Okay, so SSH, the hostname, how do you get? You have to go to the EC2 instance. Again, how to get here? It's mentioned in the previous video where we have set up the instance. So I am clicking on it to copy it. So now I am, let's follow the blog. So you have to mention the IP here, the public IP here. Okay, so I'm mentioning it. Okay, port should be 22, other things should be same. You just have to, you also one more thing, you have to give the name. Okay, in the saved session section. So I'm mentioning training underscore 2. Okay, and I'm clicking on save. So you would see it would be saved. Now again you have to do the key pair setup, otherwise it would not work. So let me show you without key pair how what it would be like. So I'm double clicking on it, but it would not connected. See, no supported authentication method available. Okay, so you have to set up the private key. So how to get that private key, in the previous video you have to follow. I have totally mentioned how to set up and how to keep that private key in safe in your machine. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to again come to the putty, and what you have to do, like you have to go to, first of all you have to select. Okay, it should be loaded here like this. Okay, otherwise it won't work. So you have to load it. You have to go to this connection, then SSH, then auth, then credential. Again I'm showing connection, SSH, auth, then credential. So you would see this section, private key file. Okay, it is also mentioned here. So you have to browse your private key. So you have to go to the private key section. Yeah, this you have to double click it. It would selected. It would get selected. You don't have to do anything, open or anything. You have to save it. Okay, so to save it, you again I'm mentioning you cannot click anywhere. You have to go to top. You have to. It's also mentioned in the session. You have to go to this section. It is training underscore 2. It is so it is getting saved under training underscore 2. So now you have to click on the save. So you got it. So when you set up the private key, you have to come to session. Then you have to see all the things are same as before, and you have to save it. Now it's got saved. Okay, then you have to double click on training 2 and it would get connected, but before that you have to paste your password and boom, it's done. So let me show you. It's a command prompt, so you can do whatever you want. It's a Linux machine, so you have to do the all the setup and all. So in the next videos I would show you like how to do the Python setup, how to do the Node.js setup, how to run a server in Python or Node.js, whatever, and how to whitelist the IPs. So I will make those videos. Yeah, so this is it in this video. So thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.